Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Silent Night by Strosahl. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. Everything else outside the grid is cosmetic. The line inside the grid is also cosmetic. The only rule we have is, in addition to normal Sudoku, is anti-night. So how does anti-night work? Well, two digits that are separated by a knight's move may not be the same. So for example, here, this can't be a 1. You can see that the conflict highlighting is telling us that. In fact, I'm going to turn to just classic Sudoku for conflict highlighting. Otherwise, I think this puzzle is going to be too easy. But if we were to put a 1 here, it is a knight's move away from this one and a knight's move away from this one. So it's actually a double violation. But basically, a knight's move away from this one, any of the 8 cells that are a knight's move away may not be the same digit, may not be a 1. And that's true of every single cell in the grid. Sorry, this one as well. So it's 2 in one direction, 1 in the other direction, making this L shape. That's how a knight moves in chess. All right, and that's just true of every single cell in the grid. Cannot repeat a knight's move away. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, so this 5 looks in, this 5 looks down. Putting a 5 in one of these two. Suppose that 5 looking down didn't really do anything. Okay, so this 5 sees this cell, and this 5 looks in. When I say sees, I just mean it eliminates, right? So it puts a 5 there. Now these two 5s look up. This 5 sees here by night. Smooth, so 5 goes there. And then 5's one of these two. Maybe I should just go through each digit. The 1 can't go in any of these cells, column and knight's move. Oh, and also can't go here by knight's move. So that's our 1 in this box. So these aren't 1. This one looks up. So one's on one of these two, I guess. And then this one looks down and into here and here. So one's one of these two. These two ones look down, putting a 1 in one of these two. Okay. Let's look at these 2s next. This 2 looks up. 2's in one of these two. This 2 looks up and sees these two. So 2's in one of these two. This 2 looks down. This 2 looks into here. So 2's in one of these two, and that's going to point up, telling us that's not a 2. So that places this 2, which then, which then places that 2, and this column finishes with a 6. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 4. So 4 sees here. So 4 is in one of these two. That points in. This 4 looks up. 4 is in one of these two. So this is a hidden 1-4 pair based on our corner marks. One's a 1, the other's a 4. So the rest of the row is a 3-6 pair. Now, do I have anything looking in? I don't think so. These are 3, 5, 6. Let's not pencil too much. We just need a pair here. We need 3 and 6. This 6 sees here. So this is 3, this is 6. Over here, we need a 6. Over here, we need a 3 and 4. This 4 sees here. So this is the 3, this is the 4. This is 1 and 4. Down here, we get the 1, which then places our 2 and 5. Places the 5 here and the 1 down here. Here we need a 3. This is 3 or 6. This can't be 3. Oh, neither of these could be 3, actually. So the 3 goes here. That's 6. That's 3. So this is 4, 6. This 6 looks up. 4 and 6. And our final two digits are the 2 and the 4, and we're done. All right, yeah, would have been way too easy with the conflict checker with anti-night on. So glad I turned that off. Cool. Well, let me know how you did. And if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.